Welcome to Global Facilitators Serving Communities. GFSC is a nonprofit organization with legal status registered in the United States of America. It is made up of volunteer facilitators from many countries who share their knowledge and experience to support communities in strengthening their resilience and autonomy. GFSC offers training and advice to local leaders to support their communities in the post-crisis or disaster psychosocial recovery process. GFSC offers different services such as training for leaders in facilitation techniques, which allow them to help their communities affected by crises or disasters, accompaniment and mentoring of leaders in their projects to support their communities, virtual public library on facilitation, resilience, post-crisis psychosocial recovery, grief, caregiver care, and other related topics. Since 1986, after natural disasters and other crises, GFSC has trained local leaders in more than 15 countries around the world, including Latin America, Brazil, Chile, Colombia, Costa Rica, Ecuador, Haiti, Nicaragua, and Venezuela. Asia, Indonesia, Korea, Nepal, Philippines, and Taiwan. Oceania, Melbourne, Australia. North America, Mexico, Los Angeles, New Orleans, and New York. The GFSC model, called Crisis, Change, and Choice, is conceptually simple and practical, based on the social learning model developed by UNESCO, and includes the following principles. Change creates crises, and these bring both dangers and opportunities. We always have the freedom to choose our attitude when confronting a crisis. Viktor Frankl. Communities have the capacity to be autonomous and can overcome their crises. Facilitation encourages building, rebuilding, and maintaining resilient and self-reliant communities. GFSC training workshops are aimed at local community leaders such as teachers, health personnel, religious workers, social workers, first responders, government agency personnel, community action board leaders, etc. In this process, leaders learn how to help members of their communities recognize, understand, and accept how crises have affected them, and how to apply effective strategies to manage these crises. How to use leadership styles appropriate to community conditions. Among the results of the training workshops conducted by GFSC, we can mention the training of more than 1,000 local leaders who have facilitated post-crisis psychosocial recovery processes in their communities. The development of resilience, collaboration, and entrepreneurship capacities in many of these communities. The psychosocial recovery of countless individuals and groups who did not have access to specialized mental health services. The communities themselves implementing many joint recovery and reconstruction projects, such as reorganization of temporary shelters and reconstruction of schools and community housing. Please contact us if you are interested in learning more about what we can do together to help your community build resilience and self-reliance.